In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Hotmail on your Android phone. We'll walk through a simple process so you can easily access your Hotmail account right from your mobile device. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or want to refresh your memory, this guide will help you stay connected with your emails wherever you are. To begin, you'll want to start by heading over to the official Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser on your Android phone and typing in the URL for the Outlook login. It's important to ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will streamline the setup process and help avoid any interruptions. Once you're on the Outlook login page, take a moment to check that you're in the right place before moving forward. Next, you're going to click on the Sign In option. This will direct you to a page where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you can easily create one by following the Create One link. For those with an account, go ahead and type in your Hotmail address, followed by your password. It's key to remember your login details or have them saved securely to avoid any future hassle. With your credentials entered, you'll proceed by selecting the option to go to your mail. This step is crucial as it leads you directly to your Hotmail inbox, where all your emails are stored. Upon a successful login, you'll have an overview of your mail, making it efficient to manage your communications right from the convenience of your phone. Once you're logged in and can see your inbox, it's time to navigate to the Help section. Clicking on Help can guide you through additional settings that may enhance your email experience on Android. The Help menu is a handy resource that addresses any challenges you might encounter and provides solutions for a smoother interface experience. Lastly, you'll want to ensure your mobile settings are optimized by clicking on Outlook Mobile. This feature is designed to offer you a seamless and integrated email experience on your Android device. It ensures that your email notifications are set up correctly and that the integration with your mobile's operating system is perfectly tuned for instant updates. And there you have it, a straightforward way to access Hotmail on your Android phone. By following these steps, you are now set to manage your emails effortlessly on the go. Remember, staying connected has never been easier, and with your Hotmail on your Android, you can always keep up to date. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful. Until next time, happy emailing.